Roxon's new wear material Rockstar is developed to meet our customers' toughest challenges when it comes to heavy wear throughout the production process. Rockstar products are made to last. We also offer our customers high-quality design services with modern tools to achieve shoots that are optimized for material flow with minimized wear. Less maintenance and less unscheduled maintenance stops save time and resources significantly. Rockstar is a composite casting material, including cemented carbide cast into an iron matrix. Combining the hardness from the carbide with the toughness from the iron matrix makes the material suitable both for heavy-duty applications with impact and abrasive wear, as well as for medium and light-duty applications with finer material. The wear zone is a multiple structure with many layers of carbide embedded into the iron matrix. The metallurgical bond between the two materials ensures that the carbide will stay in place throughout the entire life of the Rockstar liner. The different products are safe and fast to install according to our customer requirements based on the Rockstar technology. Find out more about Rockstar products at roxon.com/Rockstar.